So explain why I'm still broke. I'm Lila, I'm 25, I live in the US, and I also know exactly why I'm broke, which somehow makes it worse because it's not confusing, it's a pattern. Salary comes in, I look at my bank account like I have my life together. I don't. First, food. I tell myself I'll cook. I don't. So now I'm ordering food like I have a private chef. Except the chef is an app,
Hmm?
and I'm paying extra for being lazy. Bad decision. Then subscriptions. I don't even question them anymore. They just exist, like bills or stress. At this point, I can be paying for things I've never used, and honestly, I don't want to check because that feels like emotional damage. Then small purchases, coffee, snacks, random deals that save me money by making me spend money. Every purchase feels small until my bank account starts looking concerned. Now it's the middle of the month, and I'm opening my banking app slowly, like the number might change out of fear. It doesn't, it never does. And the worst part, I know exactly what I need to do: spend less, cook more, cancel things, be disciplined, simple, very simple. And yet, next month, I will do the exact same thing again because clearly knowing better and doing better are two completely different skills. What's the one thing you keep spending money on, even though you know you shouldn't?